This is Ooni Koda, a super fast, compact, gas-powered outdoor pizza oven. I'm gonna walk you through the features of Ooni Koda while this pizza cooks. Let's get started. With Ooni Koda, our first priority was always ease of use. It's ready to go straight out of the box. Just fold down the legs, place the stone in and connect to your gas supply. It really couldn't be easier. As you cook, getting the exact temperature you need is as simple as turning a dial. And since you're using gas, you can relax and concentrate on what matters, your pizza. We're also incredibly proud of the beautiful new design. It's a pressed, powder-coated carbon steel shell with a stainless steel inner. 20 millimeters of mineral fiber insulation keep all that searing heat inside. And at the front, Ooni Koda is finished with a custom cast aluminium frame. Ooni Koda reaches incredible temperatures of up to 932 Fahrenheit or 500 Celsius in just a matter of minutes. So as you can see, you can cook a perfect pizza in just a matter of minutes. We're so excited about Ooni Koda. It's a perfect combination of design and functionality that will take your pizza making experience to the next level. Cooking pizzas outdoors has never been so simple or so beautiful.